Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to learn about what is SQL. So SQL is a language like we have C++, Java, .NET, all are language for implementing your backend. So like that we have a SQL, a language to implement our database. Let's suppose we have a database and we want to communicate with database objects to creating database objects in our database. For that we require a language, so that we can create our database tables and all. For that we use that this SQL. So SQL stands for a structured query language, which is used to communicate with any database like SQL Server, Oracle, and MySQL, and etc. So uh, this is used to communicate with our databases. We use SQL Server. So what is the features of SQL Server? SQL Server is not required to end with a colon. So every statement of SQL is not required to end with the colon. It is case sensitive. So means if you create a table name as a camel case, and while selecting the database, if you're writing as a small, so it will work properly, means there is no problem for that. So that is called a case sensitive. So it is case insensitive. So and while it is and also one more feature is that if you uh, learn SQL Server, if you work on SQL Server, you will feel like that you are writing some English sentence according to your current requirement. You will feel like that. So it is equivalent to English. So and again, that SQL language is divided into four sub category, or we can say that's four sub languages. They are DDL stand for data definition language, which have again five commands. They are drop is used to drop your database objects from your database. And sp underscore rename, again that sp underscore rename is used to rename your database objects as per your current requirement. And create is used to create database or database object in your in your current SQL Server or Oracle or MySQL, whatever. Alter alter it used to mutate or change your uh, database objects. Truncate is again used to delete database objects from your database. And DML is stands for data manipulation language, which have also four commands. They are create for creating the database objects, and database update is again used to update or database or database objects. And delete is also used to delete database or database objects. Insert is used to insert data into your database objects. TCL stand for transaction control language. So that is used again they have three commands. They are commit, rollback, and save transaction. Commit again used to commit your uh, SQL query statement. Rollback is used to roll back your where roll back the statement. And save transaction means that whatever the commit whatever the statement has done, then save it. And DCL again data control language, which has again two more command. There grant is used to give the permission, and revoke means revoke the permission. So grant, we can grant some user to insert, update, delete in our database. And again we can revoke the that permission from that user.